have a house out in Pennsylvania, and as you can see, there are all the leaves all over the place. Now, what you need to do is you need to get like this kind of broom. Now, instead of going like this, it's really not going to get the dust off, the leaves off your property. Now, here's what you have to do. See, there's a bunch of leaves down here. You're gonna look at this. See how it's under? You're gonna push, and it's off. Now, if you want to do it the old way, it's gonna take you more forever and forever. So, what you mostly want to do is, sometimes if you're having rough times, you just the regular way, or maybe kick it. You want to get it down a little more. So mostly you want to really do is just, you know how like Frosty the Snowman does? He does it and just holds the broom. Now in Leeds, in Pennsylvania, you always have to have a broom. Because if you don't, your house will be a mess. You'll be coming in with leaves and stuff. And you know that you don't want that to happen. So I would just suggest that you should do this because really a lot of people follow up. And look, see how this area is done already. Because I took my time and did it. So if you take your time by step, you can get this done in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So, like you see, I'm trying to get this off. So, that's really it for the day. Bye.